Just to connect with tall ship stuff.
Okay, good afternoon, tall ship friends. We are doing a funny video here.
What's this all about?
This is all about Frank and Facebook. And yes, and we're having fun here trying to establish whether or not we're going to get Frank on Facebook. So Merlin, does Frank want to be on Facebook?
If he wants to follow the Zebu Friends Facebook page, yes, he wants to be on Facebook.
Okay.
He doesn't want to do anything else, just that.
Right, okay, so Frank, how do you feel now that we're opening up a new Facebook account for you?
Is this take 1, take 2 or take 3?
Oh, this is going to be rare footage. And I'm saving it for our new Patreon account coming soon.
Hilliard, H-I-L-L-I-A-R-D.
Involves no CNC survival, first aid and personal safety.
And we have Emma in the background
Frank Hilliard, 47.
composing our
Holding everything together.
new newsletter. And she's using her incredible marketing skills.
My 2-finger typing on this tiny laptop.
This is the techie part now going on. Actually, it's a very rainy afternoon here in Liverpool. So we're all down here in the saloon just doing odd things, and you can see it's quite dark down here because we've got the awning over the hatches to keep it all watertight. Because here we have by Merlin a bowl full of water because the
whatever you choose, it will tell you
the ship is
something
sinking.
better.
No. The ship is not sinking, but if we don't keep putting up bowls of water out, then there's a slight chance anyway. How are we doing here? Okay. Right, this is the Frank onto Facebook.
Do you want to save your password?
Episode.
Then you don't ever have to remember it.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Save password.
Okay,
That way you don't need to have to type it in every single time.
so
Woo! Enter the code from it.
this
Yeah.
is teamwork
Log into
now.
your email.
This is
I can't handle how complicated this has all become.
What?
4 hours later, we created a Facebook profile.
Frank, and we don't like iPads or anything to do with
It's
so
'cause I forgot.
I forgot. Yeah.
No, but you know when you've got all these things set
Aye.
up, they're really easy. But when you first have to set them up, there's so much crap you have to do first.
I know.
I forgot.
I
all
know.
of this.
I know. I know. Right.
How many people does it take to figure out an
I know. The young and the old together.
This is embarrassing.
Yeah. Come on, you guys. Yeah.
Now you know how I feel.
Uh,